how to log out of CoinMarketCap. If you'd like to log out of the CoinMarketCap app, it is actually quite simple to do so. So CoinMarketCap is all on that crypto tracker application where you can simply open it up, and you can currently see that I'm currently logged into my account, right? So here I can see all the market, news, search, portfolio, community, and so on. And to log out is very simple. Right from the home page, or no matter whichever page you're on, you can see your profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen, where all you have to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top right, and from there you'll find this option that says log out. So it's as simple as that. Tap on the logout button there, and you can see I'm successfully logged out of my CoinMarketCap account. Now if I want, I can log in or sign up to another account if I want to. And that's all it takes for me to log out of CoinMarketCap. I hope that this video really helped you, and if you do have any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Also, if this video helped you, do make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.